Okay, we're going to do section 4, SAT test number 2, which is calculator active section. And it looks like we have 4 problems today, 31, 32, 33, 34. I'm getting close to the end of section 4 on test 2. So let's take a look at problem number 31 first. And it says here, a coastal geologist estimates that a certain country's beaches are eroding at a rate of 1.5 feet per year. According to the geologist's estimate, how long will it take in years for this country's beaches to erode by 21 feet? So, for number 31, we have 1.5 feet per year, and we've got a total of 21 feet. So how long did that take? Well, if you have 21 feet, and you divide that by 1.5 feet per year, that will give you the number of years. And if you take your little calculator and take 21 divided by 1.5, you get 14 years. You could also do 21 divided by 3/2, which is 21 times 2/3. And of course, 2/3, we know that this 3 goes in 21 7 times, and so 7 times 2 is 14, and that was the correct answer for number 31. So let's take a look at number 32. And number 32 looks like we have hours and minutes, and we have a total of 450 minutes. So we have H hours and 30 minutes. So we have H hours plus 30 minutes, and that's equal to a total of 450 minutes. So you just have a little equation like this, and we want to find the value of H. So what is H? So subtract 30 here and subtract 30 there, and so this will give you that H hours, which is what we're looking for, is equal to 420 minutes. And you already know that 1 hour is 60 minutes. So to convert that into hours, you divide by 60, since 60 minutes per hour. So 420 divided by 60 is the same thing as 42 divided by 6, which is 7 hours. You don't really need a calculator for this one. The answer was 7 hours. So that was for number 32. Moving right along, let's take a look at number 33. And we're still in section 4, test 2. So number 33 says that we have, in the xy plane, we have a point 3, 6, so this is x and this is y, lies on the graph of the function f of x is equal to 3x squared minus bx plus 12. What is the value of b? So in this equation, we're going to replace f of x, which is y, with 6. And we're going to replace the x with a 3. So 3 squared minus, again, x is 3, so 3 times b would be minus 3b plus 12. And we want to find the value of b. So 3 squared is 9. 9 times 3 is 27. So we have 27 minus 3b plus 12 is equal to 6. So then if we add 27 plus 12, that gives you 39. So we have 39 minus 3b is equal to 6. I notice that all of these are multiples of 3, so I could divide by 3 here. Might as well do it now since we're going to divide by 3 anyway. So 6 divided by 3 is 2. 2 is equal to 13 minus b. And so it looks like b should be 11, since 13 minus 11 is 2. And so that would be the answer for this one. Of course, you could subtract 13 on both sides, and you would get 2 minus 13 is a negative 11 is equal to negative b, and you wind up getting the same thing. So b is equal to 11 in this problem. and that was the correct answer there. Moving right along, this takes us down to number 34 on this test. And number 34, we have Doug and Laura in one semester spent a combined total of 250 hours together in the tutoring lab. That's a lot of tutoring, Doug and Laura. 250 hours together in the lab? Really? Okay. So Doug spent 40 more hours in the lab than Laura did. So how many hours did Laura spend? So we're looking for Laura, and it looks to me that since we're looking for what Laura spent, let's let Laura equal to X. And so that means that Doug, in this problem, had 40 more. Doug spent 40 more hours than Laura. So if Laura was X hours, then we know that Doug was X plus 40 hours. Okay? So he has 40 more hours than Laura. And so combined it was 250, so we could combine those two and then solve for X. So X, Laura's hours, plus Doug's hours, X plus 40, is equal to the total of 250. And if we combine X plus X, we have 2X plus 40 is equal to 250. And if we subtract 40 on both sides, we now have that 2X is equal to 210. And if we divide by 2, X is equal to 105 hours. That's how many hours Laura had. And just to do a quick check, if you have time to check, Laura had 105 hours, and Doug had X plus 40, so he would have 145 hours if you had 40, since she had 105. So if you had 105 plus the 145, this is Laura, this is Doug. So if we combine that, we have 250 hours. So it checks. That's what we had in this problem. So 105 hours for Laura, and that is correct. So far, we've done 4 problems. It seems like in record time. So you have to work quickly and accurately on the SAT to get your maximum score. And I know that some of our students are getting ready to take the SAT pretty soon. The rest will take it a few weeks later. And the younger ones will be taking it probably next fall. And then there's always PSAT coming up. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe and mash the bell for notifications so you'll notified on all the videos that are coming up. Plan on doing more videos, and the idea is to give you a chance to see problems worked out in a different way, maybe a way that you could do them a little quicker, a little faster. Maybe you can do them without a calculator. If you don't have to, it might be a little faster. Anyway, wish you good luck on the SAT test. Do as many as you can. Do all the easy ones first and save the hard ones for last. And make sure you guess at everything if you don't have time to do it. And try eliminating some of the answers. Anyway, ramble enough in this video. Please leave your comments. And I'm looking at the comments. I'll be answering comments on this video. Let me know what other types of videos, what other types of questions you might have, and I'll create some videos based on that. Also, I'm always interested in learning where our viewers are coming from. If you're coming from other countries, if you're in Italy or Greece, somewhere in Europe, maybe South America, anywhere in Asia, let me know, and I'll give a shout out to all those people over there. I know we have a lot of people here in Texas and other states. Maybe you're in Massachusetts, maybe in Florida, or you might be in California or Ohio. Just leave that information in the comments, and I'm very interested in finding that out. thank you for your time, and I'll let you get back to your work. Thank you.